Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Ka swachita hi seva arjar pusan kabel penong de ketenat penroisor ka Sarkar Jila ka Swachh Bharat Mission Urban Meghalaya hagajitri lang ringkat bar ka Shillong Municipal Board kalapoi chak bakut no mentawas ngi hagajilang kabla long State Convention Center Shillong hagjilang uba wailat miki shila menteri bakmi ya ka Health and Family Welfare ka Jila uba wailat miki shila hawa ajinkran hagajilang kum ukongsan ulong baka swachita hi seva hagaktian khasi kamut kajing khot kadai kajing shakri kani kadai ke program ke belas dang ru usnam aja khatnyo ba uwe unong shong shnong kari India un penut por bane shimenta hak jing khot jing suba ulong shu ba ke kentien Swachh Mahat Saf kabadi ke thim ban rakhe bat ke bamut ke tamasa jong ke khot ke suba kajing shimenta kajing pen khot kamdei tang ke kamram hendai kadai ru shimenta ban rakhe u menteri ula kentui ginong shong shnong ke jila ban le khot le subai ke maryang namar kadika kamram jong ginong shong shnong ban pen khot yaki saudong saukun hagni ngi la pen kuburam yaki bladan benta hakam bajar jar jongki kabaki pen khot yaka shnong ka thau bat ki dong ba pher
Proud, I am quite surprised today to be present here as the chief guest. No doubt, the past few months I was the chairman of Mudang, but during those time I was not called as chief guest. But today I am the health minister, but I am called for the urban program. So I'm quite surprised, but at the same time I'm very happy to be sharing with you all in today's program, especially as an MLA representing an urban area. So I'm very happy to share in today's program, especially in the closing of ceremony of Swachhata Hi Seva 2025. As you know that the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban was launched on October 2nd, 2014 with the goal of making urban India open defecation free and achieving 100% scientific management of solid waste. By 2019, India's urban areas were declared ODF, a significant achievement. The mission's second phase, that is SBM Urban 2.0, launched in October 2021, focus on garbage-free status for all cities by 2026, with enhanced management of wastewater, solid waste processing, and the institutionalization of sustainable sanitation behavior among citizens. To intensify cleaning activities in the spirit of the Swachhata Pledge, the Indian government came up with the annual event which we know as Swachhata Hi Seva, or Cleanliness is Service. This is a fortnight-long event observed every year since 2017, during which every citizen in the country is expected to dedicate their 100 hours toward maintenance of cleanliness. This year, to add flair and vibrancy to the movement, the Swachhata Hi Seva fortnight is observed under the theme Swachh Mahotsav, meaning Festival of Cleanliness, thereby making cleanliness not just a duty but something to celebrate. I am sure that the town and cities of Meghalaya have also carried out their share of activities and more during this year Swachh Mahotsav. I am also sure that our workers are not doing this job only during this period but throughout the year, as it can be seen that our own town and cities are quite clean and presentable. We still have a long way to go, but I am pleased to inform everyone here that we also have a roadmap and a plan. Our state is one among the first in the country to have a solid waste management policy and strategy which was notified in 2019, and the only policy with a vision striving toward zero waste. All the town and cities of the state also have their own city solid waste action plan and city sanitation action plan, which were apprised and approved by the Swachh Bharat Mission. The plan clearly spells out the various activities to be undertaken by each town and city within the specified time schedule. As a state government, we are also deeply concerned with the overall maintenance of cleanliness and management of waste, especially with the rise in tourist footfall and the coming up of the national game in 2027. But I assure this gathering that we are not sleeping, and already a number of initiatives have already been rolled out. The Honorable Chief Minister have already launched Mission Clean Shillong 2027 on the World Environment Day 2025 with a vision for a litter-free, pristine water and pure air. City by the end of 2026. The mission document will be available on the public domain very soon. We have installed fences at vulnerable stretches of Umkhra and Umsherpi River and their tributaries for a length of 6.3 kilometers. We have also initiated Mission Zero Litter, a short-term intensive cleaning drive for Shillong City. Under My City campaign, we are engaging with localities and citizens of the major town and city of the state to work together toward achieving more than satisfactory level of cleanliness. As you all may be aware, we have been at the receiving end of the stick of the National Green Tribunal, that is NGT, in the recent past, where we have even been penalized with 100 crores for improper waste management. However, I am proud to inform that we have considerably improved by leap and bound within the past 5 years in spite of the hindrance caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Our waste collection efficiency has increased from less than 50% in 2019 to about 83% in 2025. Our level of segregation at source has increased from less than 30% in 2019 to 70% during the current year, and our processing capacity now stands at 68%, whereas it was less than 2% in 2019. Processing plants have been set up at all urban towns of the state with a total processing capacity of 215 tons per day. This processing plant will convert biodegradable waste into compost and sort the non-biodegradable waste into various forms of recycled material. We have also about 6.13 lakh tons of unprocessed waste lying in the dump site over a number of years. The state government has taken the initiative to dig out this legacy waste, process it, and dispose the same as per the rule. So far, 2.23 lakh tons have been processed and disposed from Martin and Tura. The biomining of legacy waste in the other town will start soon. The state is fully committed toward conserving the environment through proper and scientific management of waste in the spirit of the state policy and is on an intensive drive to identify and acquire sites for setting up state-of-the-art waste management facilities, and through a comprehensive awareness and education campaign, we have been successfully to break the ice and gain public confidence toward acquisition of such sites. The state is also working towards strengthening of the ULBs to further enhance their capacity in managing the waste and that is generated on daily basis. This is done through a comprehensive training and capacity building of ULB officials and strengthening the collection, transportation and processing infrastructure in all towns. The entire state has been declared open defecation free in 2019 along with the rest of the country, and I would like to congratulate Juwai Municipal Board and Shillong Municipal Board for having attained ODF Plus status in 2004 and 2005 respectively. Further, I would like to also congratulate Shillong for coming out of the bottom list in the national-wide Swachh ranking to be a part of the 25 promising cities in the country. Today we celebrate the end of the cleaning festival by honoring our heroes, the sanitation workers who toil day in and day out with a sense of duty and commitment. Today we celebrate our collective effort to make our town and cities clean and livable, and we shall also pledge to continue our effort to further improve the overall aesthetic of our state. Today we also acknowledge the service of unknown faces who work not for glory or fame, but with a feeling of responsibility for their own surrounding. By honoring these special people, we intend to showcase example that each one of us should rise toward in the true spirit of Swachhata Hi Seva. So before I...
That's why I urge each and everyone, please let us join hand together, because I think waste management or to make our city, our village or our state clean, it is the moral duty of each and every citizen of our state. I'm so sad to see the kind of investment which the government is putting in to make our village cities clean, especially putting fences, 6.3 kilometer fences to defend from whom? From all of us for throwing garbage, to defend from ourselves to throw garbage. That money could have been used for different development. So that's why it's so sad to see in some areas, especially last time I still remember we were discussing that in Joai, we were saying that we need to even install CCTV cameras, so to know that who is throwing garbage. So I feel it's something we, all of us, should take a collective responsibility and let us join hand together. We could start simply, if you just say that just by simply starting the segregation in our own household, we could reduce 50% of the waste, the management of waste, where the combustible waste can be directly sent to the cement factory, which we have a lot in our area, which we can directly send and sell it. And the rest 50%, the decomposed one, we can treat it, we can convert it into manure. So that is all depend in all of us. So that's why on this closing of this program, I urge the citizen of the state, let us join hand together and make our state one of the cleanest state in the country and in the world. With this few words, Kublai Shibon.